for giving us all the comforts in life, and for encouraging us always. We share with you the sweetness of this accomplishment. We also thank our dear teachers for patiently teaching us and preparing us for grade 1, for reminding us always to get along with one another by respecting each other. And of course, school won't be fun without friends and classmates. Thank you for making our stay here enjoyable and memorable. We are now wiser and stronger, and this is because of all your care and support. We are truly grateful.
Yay! Galing niya ate. Yay!
Our beloved
Galing ni ate.
directress, Mrs. Marisa L. Rexon, dear teachers, parents, guests, fellow graduates, good morning! The grade